Hey guys, and welcome into the garage. Today we're going to take a look at the 60th Shizuoka Hobby Show in Shizuoka, Japan. It's running from May 11th through May 15th, so it's still currently running while we do this video. Some exciting stuff to talk about. A lot of the stuff we're going to look at we already knew about. We've known about for a few months or even longer. A couple of surprises in there, or 4 new surprises, plus a surprise announcement that was made in conjunction with the show, but they're not a part of the show. And we're going to get started with that surprise announcement that was made today. Literally came out of nowhere from Ming Models, the BMW Z4 M40i kit. 124 scale curbside kit. This is kit number 5 in their car series. So this is going to be the companion to the Toyota Supra. So it's going to be kind of cool. Now we can build one of each, the BMW version and the Toyota version. I mean, it's the same car, just with a different body, basically. A lot of pictures were posted on their socials. I just grabbed a few just to look at while I'm talking about it. Looks to be like it's a pretty decent kit. I'm definitely looking forward to it. Not a big fan of the BMW of it, but looking forward to it nonetheless. Love new kits. See how the underside detail looks pretty good for what you can see on the real car. That's going to be perfect, obviously. And you can do up top or the down top. There's a parts breakdown. It's going to be out. Current release date is showing June, $46. I have it pre-ordered already to do what's in the box with it on it. I have it pre-ordered at through Hobby Easy out of Hong Kong. All right, so now we're going to get started with the actual show. We're going to start with Aoshima, and we're going to try to get through these as quickly as possible. I know we all want to get home to our families. And we're going to be first up looking at the Liberty Walk Vented Door Kit. We saw this one last year, I believe it was. Finally getting to see a little bit more progress on it. I haven't seen a pre-order listing for it yet, but I believe it's going to be out next month. If I'm reading that sign correctly, it's supposed to be out in June. So pre-order should be going up for it here very shortly. And then we're going to have more LB Works kits than we know what to do with, because we're going to keep looking at the parts display first. A lot of parts I bet are going to be shared with the Hurricane version they did. You know, the adjustable suspension, everything. So I bet it's going to share a lot of the chassis plate and stuff is probably going to be very similar. And we're going to keep the theme going, and they're going to be doing the Liberty Walk Murcielago. Now, this isn't going to be out anytime soon. It said 2023, so sometime next year. I'm guessing probably at least a year away from this one being released. But again, keeping the LB stuff coming. Like I said, we're going to have more LB Works stuff than we know what to do with at this point. And one last thing from Aoshima, I just wanted to show this quick. This is their 1/32 scale kits they've been doing. But down there on the left, the lower left corner right here, is the new Nissan Z kit, 1/32 scale. Hopefully, we're going to get one in 1/24 scale from either Aoshima or preferably Tamiya. Maybe they'll announce that later on this year or something. So again, fingers crossed. Now we're going to head over to the new B-Max Platz conglomerate booth. I think they had one of the biggest booths or stuff on display this year. You can see we got a lot to talk about here. 4 new kits to talk about, but we're going to start on the top row. The Audi A4 British Touring Car Championship kit. This is going to be out July, $32 US, and this is Hobby Easy Hong Kong listing, and the price is $32. The Volvo British Touring Car Championship kit as well. That's going to be out June, $32. The 2008 BMW E90 320i for the World Touring Car Championship kit. This is going to be out. Now I'm using Japan pricing and then release date on this one. Where did it go? I lost it. August, and $32 on that one. So it's probably going to be out a month before August, and July probably. Takes about a month for them to hit Japan. Now, all those 4 new kits, these are all new projects, future projects coming, probably next year at this point, I'm going to guess. The Mazda RX-7 24 Hours of Le Mans, Alfa Romeo 155 Touring Car, BMW 320i, and a Rover SD1. That's pretty cool. I bet you that one's going to be really popular. Again, no word on any release date or any of the other stuff, but again, these are all just future projects. I'm guessing next year at this point. And some couple of reissues to talk about real quick. The BMW M3, the Tour de Course Rally winner, 1987. This will be out August, Japan, $32. And right beside it, there's Toyota Carnia, however you pronounce it, BTCC, 1993, May this month, $32 on that one. The Lotus 99T for the 1987 Monaco GP winner kit, 1/12 scale. I didn't get any information on when it's going to be out or how much it's going to cost. Sorry about that. We'll just say soon. You can see one of the kits we're going to be talking about here in a few minutes. Again, it looks pretty good. Nicely well. It looks like it's going to be nicely detailed. You open wheel guys are going to have fun building this one. It looks like it. And they'll also be doing the McLaren MP4-4 1/12 scale. That was the announcement. That's all they had a bit on it, was just that sign there. And now we're going to take a look at their next new kit. This is going to be the motorcycle. They're dipping their toes in the motorcycle world. 1/12 scale. If I'm correctly, this is Suzuki RGV-R. That sign says 1987 something GP. Team Suzuki. Motorcycles are getting hot. It seems like they're getting kind of popular. So I'm not surprised that they're giving this a shot. All right, so that's going to wrap up for B-Max new Platz conglomerate. Now we're going to head over to the Hasegawa booth and take a look at what they had on display. And unfortunately, I only got pictures of a couple of the cars, not all of them. But we got the Pulsar for the Rally, the later version of the Isuzu 117 Coupe, the late version XE, the MR2 early version G Limited with the moonroof, and the late version Mazda RX-7. So first we'll take a look at another look at the booth and look at the Isuzu 117. That'll be out. That's going to be out. My notes say, where are my notes at? Late June. $23. The Mazda RX-7, that'll be out late July, $23. And these the Nissan Skyline GTR, the KP GC11, Ken and Marie. This is going to be out late June, $23 as well. We're going to stick with the Hasegawa booth, and we're going to take a look at Revell kit. I'm looking forward to this one. I think this is the one I'm most excited about for this year. The Audi E-tron GT kit, besides the NASCAR Next Gen kits. I'm most excited about this one next. The Audi E-tron kit coming soon. I believe this is going to be out towards the end of the year, I think like December, but don't quote me on that. It's going to be part of their Easy Click system. I really like this Easy Click system that Revell has done. I have a blast building the kits, the tractors and the VW buses. The next version are in that series of kits. No doubt it'll be molded in different colors. Obviously, it's a curbside, but it's a full electric car, so I mean, battery packs aren't all that exciting. So perfect subject to make it for a curbside. Again, for what we can see, the detail looks pretty good. It's going to be a fine balance between detail and being a snap kit. Anyways, looks good. I'm excited for it. Now we're going to take a look at Tamiya and what they had on display, which wasn't a whole lot this year. Tyrrell P34 six-wheeler. The Renault RE20 Turbo. And the Tyrrell 003 1971 Monaco GP winner. All right, so that's going to do it for Tamiya. Now we're going to take a look at DM model kits and their upcoming Ford Sierra Cosworth 4x4 Rally kits. The Rally Monte Carlo 1991 and the Portugal Rally 1992. These are going to be out. Now this is from Spot Model in Spain. Right now they listed as August, $64 US each. These are kind of pricey kits. I'll definitely get one probably to do what's in the box, and then I probably will, who knows what I'm going to do. And so there we go. That is a look at the 60th running of the Shizuoka Hobby Show in Japan. A lot of exciting stuff to look forward to. I know I'm excited for some stuff. The Audi e-tron for sure, as well as the BMW. I know I'm looking forward to that one as well. And of course, some of the race car kits as well. Let me know in the comments below what you're excited for. What are you looking forward to? It's going to be a good year for model kits and going into 2023. It's a great time to be in the hobby. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.